What's going on YouTube? We have another day of a bunch of bumps when it comes to the market, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. My name's Trey Carter, part of the Trey Carter Show. But I wanted to bring you guys a really good video today. Hopefully this will bring you a lot of value and help you guys out. In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about the market, what it's been doing, how it opened up today, how the futures had us thinking that we're actually going to have a pretty decent day today. And then as the day went on, the rug was ripped out from under us. We're also going to touch a little bit too, guys. What have I been buying? What am I looking at? And what on earth is going on between my two ears, which is my brain. Anyways, guys, don't forget, if you guys like Tesla-related content, anything investing or just having fun, shooting the mess, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel down below. The big old button says subscribe, okay? And don't forget to like and leave a comment, guys. It's a big, easy help with the algorithm. So let's go and jump into this, guys. So as you guys know, we actually opened up today pretty decent, okay? Looking into futures, waking up a little bit. It was pretty good. There's articles talking about people excited about the vaccine, which in my head, it's kind of already been out there. And the other thing they've been talking about is being excited about the stimulus that's going to be going on, which we got more news on that today. And man, Congress just does a great job, along with Senate, does a great job of just being almost useless. You know what I mean? But we opened up big, then we ended up actually dropping. And as you guys know, Tesla is my biggest position. And Tesla, of course, dropped down to the 650s today. So what is going through my mind? Well, number one, because I'm human, I've always thought when it hit the 900s or the high 800s that, you know, maybe I just need to take a little bit off the table. And then I talk to myself. Not in a weird way, but I talk to myself and I think about, you know, where's this company going to be in the next 8 to 10 years? I literally had the same conversation with myself that I had when Elon tweeted that famous going private at 420. I had to have that talk with myself because I wanted to take my original investment off the table. Now, hindsight, man, that would have been a genius move because then we got about more than what we're doing right here. Here's the thing, though. I'm not a trader, and I'm horrible at it. Anytime I sell, stock always goes back up. Anytime I buy, it always goes down. That's just how it goes. So for me, it's a buy, dollar cost average, and just enjoy the ride of whatever it is. Fortunately for us, we've been sitting on a little bit of cash. In fact, we have more coming from refinancing our home. Like we literally went from like a 4% interest rate all the way down to 2.9. Like it was ridiculous. Pretty much having the same actual payment on the home, and things just worked out absolutely incredible. It felt almost criminal if we didn't refinance the home. So we have different investments we're going to be going into, continue to grow, and also pad our cash position. Get a little bit more Bitcoin because you know how that's been going. Using a little bit of BlockFi too, which BlockFi is a really interesting service. That's for a whole different video. But guys, the two stocks we actually bought quite a bit today was, believe it or not, Tesla. We bought a little bit of that, and then we also went more into Facebook. Yep, Facebook. Why did I buy Facebook? Well, Facebook is absolutely a cash cow, 100%. Cash cow, super simple, in my eyes, undervalued. And I really believe that when it comes to the VR world with their Oculus, that I think this is, once the story changes about Facebook, I think we're going to see a big change within their valuation because you're going to have the supporting factor of Instagram, Facebook, and the other apps that they may end up acquiring as well. That's going to be their pretty much cash cow business, and then they're going to be going into more of the virtual reality. And I think with a lot of the initial research that I peeked into that Kathy Woods over at ARK Invest has given, it's very attractive. And Facebook's one of those companies that I think it's almost impossible to lose 50% of your money in, unlike Tesla. But it's literally just about impossible. So it's a nice little cash park, and I think long-term, next 5 years, you know, yeah, we could see a doubling in the valuation, and it's going to feel nice, right? We also nibbled in a couple other areas as well. We dollar cost average more into Corsair Gaming, which if you guys are familiar with Corsair Gaming, it's pretty much taking over the gaming industry, you know, when it comes to their headsets. In fact, I have to replace mine. One of my favorite headsets that I've had is literally these Astro A40s. For any of you that are familiar with these, here's the unique thing about these A40s. They were actually some of the first ones that they made. If my memory serves me right, I think I got these in 2008, 2009, and they still work. Now, granted, because I have wonderful kids, they ended up kicking one of the optical cables, and it like broke into my Xbox, as in the plug-in is stuck in the Xbox. It stinks. but it still works. Okay, everything works out great. Love it. It's awesome. But I do need to get a different headset for my Xbox. I just need to. One of the cords broke, which it lasted for, quite a few years. So over 10 years now. But I need to get a new cord. Looking more into Corsair Gaming, their business model, really how I believe that they're set up and where they're going to be looking long term. I think Corsair is a great investment. I think it's in a great spot, especially under $40. Today, I think it dropped down to about 35-ish. So we nibbled a little bit at 37, a little bit at 35. And I think it's a company that long term that it's going to work out absolutely great. Now, if the market gets a little crazier, obviously Kathy Woods advises, selling your lower conviction-based stocks and investing into your higher conviction ones, which if any of you paid any attention to this channel, our highest conviction is what? It's Tesla. Tesla is our largest position that we have in our portfolio, and it's also our largest conviction that we have. Not necessarily for the environment, but let's say it's an American company, man, that is literally changing the world, and I think it's going to do so much more. It's going to be so exciting to watch. I also think it's still a little misunderstood. I think a lot of people value it still and view it as a car company as opposed to, a technology, software, along with an energy company as well. Which the energy side is yet to be seen, but I don't know. I'm pretty excited about it. So Facebook is more of a bit of a gaming play, guys, with a virtual reality side, and it's just safe, for lack of a better word. And also their Facebook gaming, which I think is very, it's disrespected, right? I don't know if you guys pay attention to Twitch at all, which Twitch is obviously the top dog, but Twitch just can't seem to do anything right over there. At least that's in my opinion, my view. I'm super biased anyways. But anyways, guys, I want to make this video for you guys today. I really want to know what have you guys been looking at. I know I've been seeing different messages out there about the market going down because of interest rates, because of mortgage rates going a little bit higher, just the fear of inflation. I want your opinion. I want to know what you are thinking so we can grow this community and, man, get through this sucker together. You know what I mean? Like when there's blood in the water, that's when you take advantage, right? Like in the famous words of Warren Buffett, when people are fearful, be greedy. When people are greedy, be fearful. If I can speak English. Be fearful when people are greedy. I think I said that right. Anyways, guys, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Don't forget to smash that like button. It's a big help, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next one.